In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in Hostinger. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just starting out, understanding how to manage your domains efficiently is key to a seamless online presence. Let's dive right into it. So you've purchased your domain from Hostinger. The great news is there's no need to manually add it to your account because it's automatically included in your hPanel. This makes the process much smoother and faster, allowing you to focus on linking it to a site or using it for other purposes like email or subdomains. Now, if you're looking to link your newly acquired domain to a website, here's what you need to do. Begin by navigating to the Websites section in your hPanel. From there, select Create or Manage. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for either creating a new website or managing an existing one. If you haven't created a website yet, this is your cue to select Create a Website. Once you do, you'll be prompted to choose the domain you want to associate with your new site. It's pretty straightforward from here on out, and Hostinger will guide you through the initial setup. But what if you already have a website and just want to manage it? No worries. Head over to Websites and then click on Manage. Here, under the Hosting tab, you'll find a couple of options. If your hosting plan supports it, you can change the primary domain for your existing site. It's as simple as scrolling down and selecting Change Primary Domain. Alternatively, if you prefer to keep your current primary domain as is, you can add your new domain as an add-on domain. This is a great way to host multiple domains within the same account, making it efficient and cost-effective. Lastly, it's important to remember that your domain isn't just limited to hosting a website. You can utilize it for creating personalized email addresses, setting up subdomains, and a range of other functionalities that can enhance your online presence. Hostinger provides a user-friendly interface for managing all these features, ensuring you have the tools you need at your fingertips. By following these instructions, you'll have your domain ready to use in no time. Don't hesitate to explore Hostinger's resources and support if you need additional guidance. They offer a wealth of information to help you make the most out of your domain and hosting services. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your domain added and linked effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.